Maybe as recent as a year ago, ChatGPT, released a little big something called what? Anybody starts with an A, ends with an artificial intelligence? Yeah, it was really the first major chat-based interface to artificial intelligence. And of course, we're surfing that wake of things like PMI's Infinity. Now you've got all kinds of brands that specialize. You've got Claude, Perplexity, ChatGPT, and that's just text-based or interface-based artificial intelligence. Well, the reason that affects us as professionals, when the big giants out there, Microsoft or otherwise, motor companies, pharmaceuticals, any of the big companies start to make decisions like, let's release our project managers, let's release our management staff, the middle layer of management staff, and let's deliberately replace it and invest $80 billion in AI to automate the things that those people used to do. That's a pretty frightening prospect, right? What does the future hold? What does that mean for us as professionals? How do we beat the machine? How do we beat the misunderstanding about the value of who we are and what we do? Well, the other part of the battle is with this release. Who's seen how busy LinkedIn is? How many of you use Quick Apply? It's cool, right? Real quick, yeah, it's got your resume ready to go, click the button, boom, you're in there. I gotta be honest with you, I've been on the other side. Part of what our company at Corbo does as a package deal, we implement executive PMOs, and that includes staffing the talent. So you get your run book, your governance, your capital planning, and you get hiring so that you're qualified in healthcare, IT, supply chain, whatever your specialty is. Side effect of that is I've seen how hiring works. These HR managers want to find you, but they can't because the world is treating LinkedIn like a dating app. Swipe, 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 swipe. We get people that apply for this job, for example, that are in automotive, have nothing to do with project management. Now, I'm not trying to discourage you. I'm trying to say, fight the good fight. Don't give up. They want to find you as badly as you want to be found.